Uh-oh. Oh, shh. Fuck. What the fuck is this, man?
My hands are freezing! Here, have it. I feel no pain!
Oh, shit. Oh, God.
This is not a fun game.
Come on, make some snowballs, Brian. Come on, fight back.
I was. My hands got cold.
Come on, man. Make it with your sleeve. Come on. What?
Don't worry, you can't hit me. I'm not really even afraid. Oh, you're piling them up.
Oh, God.
I don't even want to back anymore. I just want to get in front of it.
Oh, shit.
What's up, man? How your hands doing? It's pretty cold. I'm about to fall off.
It's kind of funny how many people are walking around at this time of night. Oh, shit. Wait, I'm a non-combatant. The car is still stuck out there. Oh, Jesus Christ, it's so cold and snowy. Oh, God. Jesus Christ. Oh, my God. Okay. Once again, this is the DC metro area. We're in College Park, Maryland, right outside of DC. Here's some older four-wheel drive vehicle. See, we've all known throughout the course of the day that there was going to be like a really bad snowstorm today here in Maryland, but like these gentlemen who were driving this older car didn't really heed the warning. It's kind of surprising seeing how many people there are out right now. The snow's still really coming down. Jesus. Snowplow way down there. This car's stuck in the snow. Oh my God. We're not used to this much snow. I'm serious. Seriously, it's like past 10 at night, and I mean you could read a book out here because there's so much light, because the snow is reflecting all the lights. And we've got stoplights and stuff, or street lights. That's my car, second one down. My roommate's, my house.